Hello everyone. It's been 10 years since I have upgraded to a new laptop. However, I'm currently using a MacBook Pro which has been provided to me by my employer. Definitely, it's a valuable asset to have a Mac. In professional fields, MacBooks are popular due to their reliability, security features, and performance capabilities. Nevertheless, I purchased a Windows laptop. Why? Because there are some software applications designed specifically for Windows that are not free for Mac users. I believe that it will be beneficial if I have access to both operating systems depending on my needs. So, now I am going to show you how to unbox my new laptop. HP Victus 16 gaming laptop, Intel Core i5 12th generation. As I open this box, you can see what it appears like. I just unpacked the laptop. Wow, it's a cool color. The color is called Performance Blue, even though it's heavy weight 2.48 kg. One-handed lifting is impossible for me. Now in a few moments, I will turn on my Victus by pressing the power button. So it's time to sit back and relax. Just a moment. Yes, we can see Windows 11 logo. I'm looking for the region Ireland. Yes, got it. So Wi-Fi is connected. This might take a few minutes. So finally it is time to see the desktop. Not too bad. So this is the end of the unboxing video. Thank you for watching.